everybody, it's Lyn from Lyn's Craft Designs. I apologize. I've got another clay haul. Again, it's from Blueberry Beads. Sorry, I'll try to hold this really still. I love their site. Jessica is really, sorry, Jennifer. My daughter-in-law is Jessica, sorry. Jennifer is really a really lovely person. I just went back to get some of the ones that were out of stock before. This one is called Rust. So curious about it. I'll save that. And then this one is called Hematite. They were out of that one too. I picked up a few of the colors of metallic, just to kind of go with the transparent colors I got before. This is the metallic blue. This one is metallic violet. Sorry, I cheated and I've already opened it. This one is metallic red. I don't know why I was trying to skip over it. This one's my favorite. And this one is metallic olive green. I'm sorry, green gold. If I had my other eyes on, it might help. And then this one, there was actually two, I think, of, this one is a metallic turquoise, but this one is a turquoise gold. Really looking, sorry, it's got a funny name, and I'll have to put my glasses on to see. Oh, turquoise gold. That's the funny name. It's funny because it was abbreviated. That's why I thought it was something else. Turquoise gold. I believe there's one that's just a turquoise metallic. I'm not sure, but I think they were out of that. And this one is from the Nature line. They've got several colors of this granite look. This one is the gray granite. And of course I already have primo gray granite, but just thought I would try this. That's it. Short, quick, and to the point, but thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and bye for now.